back to the channel, and in today's video, as you guys can read in the description, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the new wrap. I'm gonna show you the new wrap, and I really hope you guys enjoy what you're about to see in this video. Let's go. All right, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed what you guys seen with the new Optimus Prime wrap. I really appreciate all love and support. A lot of videos are coming soon. I'm going to be doing some more cool things to the car. I'm trying to get it into SEMA 2019. I know Prime made it to SEMA 2017 in the past, but this time we're trying to go in prime time style, you know what I'm saying? So I'll holler at you guys, man. I appreciate all the Priminator subs. I appreciate all the Priminators that are on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all across the blueprint, on all my social media. Keep showing that love and support. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down there, leave a comment down there, and I'll holler at you guys later. Priminator out.